Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. And check out the Discord. Check out our stake pool. If you want to learn about the stake pool and our vision for it, watch the welcome video to the YouTube channel. All right. Uh, so the YouTube channel, we're well over 2,000 subscribers now, but I didn't give anything away for 1,000 subs, and I wanted to. So what I've done is I've made a NFT, and what's even better is a Pavia compatible NFT. This was built off their template that they released and the built to their specifications. Now, obviously, you know the metaverse is not up yet, so I'm going to give this away as art, okay? But this should be able to plop right down on a single lot in the Pavia metaverse. Um, this is the first one that we're going to make, so it's number one, and I won't release any more that is just like this. So this is the first NFT by In Good Fortune, and I won't release any more that are identical to this. So this is going to be a one of a kind non-fungible token, obviously, and should be a house that you can plop down on your single lot in Pavia, and walk around in and kind of enjoy and all that kind of stuff. So this, like I said, it was, this is basically the template that they released. So it should be compatible, but I just can't make any guarantees on it because I can't try it. The metaverse is not up yet. But what I do have is I have it in the Pavia viewer, so the 3D viewer that they have, and you see it's running fine. Um, it seems to be doing just fine with what they have here. This is the viewer that you can preview your assets in. So this hopefully it'll look just like this. But again, I'm giving this away as art. In their viewer here, you can see it in maybe some different times of day. I don't know if these are going to be different parts of the map that are, that maybe the different parts of map have different kind of lighting or something like that. Um, but this is how their viewer is set up. So just to give you an idea of what this is going to look like in different settings. So that's supposed to be night. That's awful bright. Anyway, it's a fun little thing to play with. But so this gives you an idea of what it could look like. Um, so, all right. These Pavia houses, these compatible assets. If you look on the NFT store, they're going for like 150 ADA. So these are stuff that they're starting to be sold, and they're going for about 150 ADA. Now there is going to be a minting fee involved with this asset of 10 ADA. It's going to cost 10 ADA to mint it, which whoever wins it will have to pay. But this will give you a house to start with in the Pavia metaverse. Got the big Cardano symbol up here. So, and we're just going to see how this giveaway goes. I'll give you some more details on the giveaway itself. Here in Pool Tools, I have it loaded up, and this just gives you an idea of that's going to be the thumbnail for it, and here's the asset as an NFT. So in this Pavia compatible asset PCA, it's Cardano House 001 is the name of it. And so copyright, let's see, In Good Fortune created it. Let's see, the first NFT minted by In Good Fortune for 1,000 YouTube subscribers. That's the description. Disclaimer: this is a untested Pavia asset, as Pavia Metaverse is not live yet. So we didn't test it. We couldn't test it. There's a link to Discord. This PCA is traded as art only, so I can't guarantee. But like I said, it's you know, this is the specifications that they released, so you should be able to plop this right down on a single lot, unless those specifications change, but I can't make any guarantee. Then the Twitter, YouTube channel. So anyway, that gives you an idea of the information on it. Um, so let's see, and then how you're going to enter the giveaway is I've got this tweet pinned on my Twitter account, and I'll put on here Discord as well to enter. Like and retweet this tweet, which is going to be pinned. Follow or sub on the YouTube channel. Follow or sub on the YouTube channel, and tag everyone you know. Plus, I'll put on here join the Discord. Okay, so that's how you're going to enter. What I'll do is I will draw somebody randomly off of this off the Twitter post. I'll draw somebody randomly off this Twitter post, and then we'll check and see if they're in the YouTube sub and if they're in the Discord, and then we'll announce the winner. This is going to be a 2 week long giveaway because my time, I work as an electrician. My time is a little bit constrained right now. But this is going to be original number one unique asset, and you should be able to plop it right down on a single lot inside of Pavia when the Metaverse opens up. Now this was for 1,000 subs. Uh, you know, I'm a little over 2,000 subs right now. So I plan on, if this goes over well, we'll just see how it goes. We'll see if anybody even wants it. I plan on giving another NFT away for 2,000 subs right back to back over this one if this one you know is a hit, right? And and if we can get up to that 3,000 sub mark, we're almost there. If we can get to that 3,000 sub mark on my YouTube channel, then I'll go ahead and give another one away. So another something, some kind of it'll probably be a Pavia asset. In fact, when you comment on this, if you want a Pavia asset, then make sure you mention down in the comment that that's maybe what you would like for 2,000 subs, um, and then maybe another one for 3,000 subs. So there we are. All right. Well, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.